Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be comparing two popular air fryers, the Chefman air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Both of these products claim to provide delicious and crispy fried foods while being healthier and cleaner than traditional deep frying. We'll be evaluating them on several different categories, so let's get started. The Chefman air fryer has 4 presets that make it easy to serve French fries, chicken, meat, and fish at the push of a button. The Gourmia air fryer oven has 1-2-1 touch digital presets that allow for cooking a wider range of foods, including bacon, seafood, and vegetables. Both products offer easy controls and monitoring through digital displays. Both air fryers offer easy cleaning options with dishwasher-safe baskets and trays. However, the Chefman air fryer's 8-quart nonstick basket and flat frying tray make cleaning even easier than the Gourmia air fryers. Both air fryers claim to produce crispy, delicious fried foods while using 98% less oil than traditional fryers. The Gourmia air fryer oven even incorporates fat removal technology to further reduce the fat content of your fried foods. However, the Chefman air fryer offers a wider temperature range, from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for more flexibility in cooking different types of foods. The Gourmia air fryer oven offers a 30% larger cooking capacity than the Chefman air fryer, with an 8-quart basket that can fit whole meals. The Chefman air fryer, however, has a more compact and sleek design that would fit well on smaller countertops or in cramped spaces. Both products have a modern, stainless steel look that would elevate any kitchen aesthetic. The Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $92, while the Chefman air fryer comes in at $99. While there's not a huge price difference, it's worth noting that the Gourmia air fryer oven offers more one-touch presets and a larger cooking capacity for a slightly lower price. And that's a wrap on our comparison of the Chefman air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Ultimately, both products offer convenient and healthy cooking options for those who love fried foods. It really comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Do you need a more compact design or a larger cooking capacity? Do you prioritize a wider temperature range or more one-touch presets? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.